Okay, so we're looking at the sine rule, which I'm sure you're familiar with. So hit pause, make some notes. When you're ready, hit play again, and we'll look at the sine rule. Well, sine rule, as you recall, is given by a over sine a equals b over sine b, which is equal to c over sine c. Now we only ever really use them in pairs, so we use them two at a time. So hit pause, write the sine rule down, and when you're ready we'll look at an example. So here what we can do is we can well, let's look at this example. It says calculate the labeled side. The labeled side there is that one there, x, in the triangle to the right. So we know our formula, a over sine a equals b over sine b. So if we look, well, we could label it again, no real need, but we'll do it in this case. If we call that side a, the opposite side is going to be small a, and if we label this angle b, the opposite side is going to be small b. So if we substitute for what we have, a is x, so x over sine of 82 is equal to b, which is 8, divided by sine of 34. And the more you do of these, then the less you'll have to worry about labeling the angles. Now if we rearrange this, that means to get x on its own, that's equal to multiplying both sides by sine 82, so it'll be 8 times sine 82 divided by sine of 34, which you're going to check on your calculator for me, and it should give you 14.17. Good. Hit pause, make some notes, and let's have a look at another example then. Okay, with this example we need to find the labeled angle. So this time we've been given two sides and one angle. Now I'm not going to label it this time, but because I'm looking for that one, that really is my angle A, and that's my small a. That's capital B and small b. So let's just write our formula down as we would normally. So we write a over sine a is equal to b over sine b. I always write it in this form. It's just one form, less things to remember. So a is 12 divided by sine of theta, and that's equal to b, which is 15, divided by sine of 32. I want to get sine theta on its own, so that means I'm going to have to bring it over this side here and then switch everything around. So that leaves me with 12 times sine of 32 divided by 15, which is equal to sine of theta. If I work that out in my calculator, that's sine by the way, if I work that out in my calculator, sine theta is going to be equal to, and I hope you're going to have a go at this, 0.4239, and to get theta, the angle, that's equal to sine to the minus 1 of 0.4239, which is 25.08 degrees. Okay. Hit pause, make some notes, and when you're ready, hit play again. And some questions for you. I'd go down the left hand side of the page. On question 1, I just do A and C, and then down the left hand side of the page. There's a fair few questions, but it won't take you very long at all. Again, for question 3, do A and C. Okay, and then make sure you have a go at questions 11 and 12. Good. Good luck.